Welcome back into Studio 10. Let's see if this has ever happened to you. All right, you walk into your closet, you go to grab something only to stub your toe, or you trip over a bunch of clutter and junk on the floor.
Yeah, it's happened before. We have a few tips from Real Simple that'll turn your crowded closet into an organized one.
Walk-in closets are what dreams are made of, but some of us aren't lucky when it comes to closet space. If you've got a teeny tiny one, here are some easy hacks to maximize your square footage. Switch to slimline hangers. This is a unique tip. If you're still using mismatched clothing hangers, you could be potentially wasting precious closet space. The best way to instantly upgrade your closet for less than $30 is to just invest in a set of slimline, no-slip hangers. You'd be surprised how much space that'll save you. Opt for a double hang closet rod. So there's a good chance you're not maximizing all of the vertical space in your bedroom closet. So add a second closet rod. Place one near the ceiling and a second rod several feet above the floor. The top rod can hold blouses and the bottom one can hold skirts and pants. Start shelving a few inches above the floor. This way, using the floor for storage simply is not an option. When items live on the floor, they can just pile up easily and create clutter. Plus, it makes it easier to clean. Utilize wall space. To put the walls to use in the utility closet, for example, install a wall-mounted track organizer along with a set of hooks. So a formerly blank wall can hold dusters and microfiber mops. Corral small items in bins. So whether it's a bedroom closet, a utility closet, or a linen closet, bins and baskets can help stash smaller items on shelves. In a bedroom closet, use them to sort scarves or gloves. In a linen closet, they can wrangle stain sprays and dryer balls.
We were just talking about Batman.
Yeah, I know. Guilty as charged. Designers also say a closet should be a well-organized space, so that way you don't spend more time than needed trying to figure out what it is that you're looking for.
Yeah, good tips. For more of them, visit realsimple.com or pick up a Real Simple magazine on newsstands now. Real Simple is owned by the parent company of this news station, the Meredith Corporation.